I had taken the position for a long time that I did think that AI was going to step in and fill that gap of the lower birth rate and the lower number of people working in the workforce. But I was of the opinion that AI was not going to actually displace people. It was going to make up for that gap, and that what was going to happen is that instead of being displaced, people who don't know how to use AI are going to lose their jobs, but people who know how to use AI are not going to get displaced. And I'm coming around more and more to the school of thought that it's going to be broader than that. People who know how to use AI, they still might get displaced. And I think
Yeah.
that, one of the topics I'm going to talk about today is a law relating to immigration, a big change in the immigration laws. I'll talk about that during Lawyer on the Clock. But we may not need all of the foreign workers in a few years, based on what you might have seen just this week. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it, Phil?
Yeah, I tell you, I'm not quite sure what I believe is going to happen at this point. I was pretty confident over our last few episodes of things, and it's when you get a new data point, you go, oh my goodness, what is happening now? I get it. I would be considered probably an early adapter, and I get paid to watch the future, to predict this, to help lead our community of employers to a space. And it's amazing when we look at the rate of technology. And I don't think we're talking about those who use AI. This is a different mindset, and this is why I get excited and concerned at the same time. So don't misinterpret any of my message. It's an exciting period of time. It's a concerning period of time. But I don't think it's going to be for those of us who know how to use AI. I think AI is going to be so prevalent, everybody will know how to use AI. And that's what makes it absolutely frightening and exciting, because it's not going to be like Excel, where some people don't think systematically, like Excel is designed to work and format the formulas. And sometimes you got to even understand, a higher level of math formula in order to make Excel work and do fancy things. This is just going to be about if you can communicate, you'll be efficient in AI, because AI is going to do the work and thinking for you. And that's where you talk about, is it going to dumb us down in our cognitive thinking? I can't even comment on that. But I'm telling you, we are right at the edge of seeing things cut loose, things that we've been talking about and getting ready to invest here at AIM, dreaming about for our members and how things would benefit our members. Um, it's all of a sudden readily available, and we just don't know it yet. It's already there. It's already developed. It's already being deployed, and it's happening in such small places, so quietly we don't know it, and it's just going to turn on. And when that happens, I think people are going to go, wow. And one of my concerns is I just don't know that people see it and believe it.
Level up your HR game with an AIM Employers Association membership. Get 24/7 expert support, exclusive training, and a network of peers. Join thousands of HR leaders building better organizations. Call AIM at 800-948-5700 or visit aimea.org today to learn about becoming a member.